Hello students, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. In this video, Capsules Part 1.1, we are going to study difference between hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule. So, before we start with our today's video, I request one and all to please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also press bell icon for updates on upcoming video. Let's look at the differences one by one. The first one, hard gelatin capsule is made up of hard gelatin, whereas soft gelatins are made up of soft gelatin. Then coming to next one, that is hard gelatin capsules are produced in two half consisting of a body and cap. Right, you are aware that our hard gelatin capsule are consisting of two parts. One is the body in which we fill the drug and the other is cap, whereas soft gelatin capsules are produced as a single piece of gelatin rather than two halves attached. Then third difference, being prepared out of hard gelatin capsules have a firm and rigid boundary, whereas boundary of soft gelatin capsule is soft and flexible. Then difference number 4, that is hard gelatin capsules are mainly used for filling dry and powdered contents, whereas soft gelatin capsules are mainly used for oil based solutions. Then next one, that is hard gelatin capsules are usually made cylindrical, whereas soft gelatin capsule can be made in variety of shapes such as oval, round, tube shaped, fish like, etc. Then the next difference, as we have seen that hard gelatin capsules are generally used to store or fill drug or powdered drug content, therefore they are unlikely to leak, whereas soft gelatin capsules, they are generally used to store oil based solution, therefore they are having a greater risk of leakage. Then difference number 7, hard gelatins are made up of only hard gelatin, colorings, plasticizers and titanium dioxide, whereas soft gelatin capsules need much more ingredients like that of soft gelatin, plasticizer, sugars, preservative, coloring, opacifiers, etc. Then next difference between hard gelatin and soft gelatin capsule is the first one. For hard gelatin capsule, they are manufactured using different machines for shell production and encapsulation. A different process is employed in manufacturing, as already we have seen in our previous videos, that whatever in hard gelatin capsule, whatever capsules are there, initially they are produced and then there are separate equipments which are used for encapsulation, right? Whereas for soft gelatin capsule, manufacturing and filling is done using the same machine as part of single process. Then the next difference, for hard gelatin capsules, the ratio of gelatin and plasticizer is 1:0.4, whereas the ratio of gelatin to plasticizer for soft gelatin capsule is 1:0.8. Then the next difference, hard gelatin capsules are available in different standard size like that of 0000000, right? That is from 000 to 5, whereas for soft gelatin capsule there are no specific size specifications or standards. Difference number 11, hard gelatin capsules generally have generally high bloom gelatin is used, whereas for soft gelatin capsule low bloom gelatins are used. Then for hard gelatin capsule, less or comparatively lower amount of preservative is used, whereas high amount of preservative is required for preparing of soft gelatin capsule. Then next difference, capacity of hard gelatin capsule varies from 7.30 to 600 mg, whereas capacity for soft gelatin capsule varies from 7.01 to 30, that is 30 ml. Then example, I have selected very common examples so that you can find out what are hard gelatin capsules and soft gelatin capsule. So example of hard gelatin capsule is Bicosol capsules, whereas example of soft gelatin capsule is Pudin Hara capsule. So I hope my attempt of making your doubts clear or differentiate between hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule is achieved. Thank you very much for watching this video till end.